While everyone else is eating leftovers this Thanksgiving season, savvy investors like you are gobbling up profits in crypto. Stick with me because in this video, I'm going to break down the hottest stock and crypto picks. Don't miss your chance to feast on the free trade alert at the end. Hey, I'm Scott, founder of Trade Alert HQ and professor at the Financial Freedom Academy. My goal is simple. On this channel, I work for you to take your trading and investing game to the next level. I'll give you real-time strategies and trade alerts to help you on your road to financial freedom. After leaving my corporate job in 2016, I've been trading stocks and crypto full-time while traveling all over the world. I'm here to pass along everything I've learned so you can skip the guesswork and start making winning moves right now. Every week, I'll bring you in-depth stock and crypto analysis, real-time buy and sell alerts, and answer any questions you have so you feel confident in every decision you make. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join the Trade Alert HQ family. Your journey to the next level of financial freedom starts here. Hold on to your saddle horn for this one because this is going to be a rodeo. I'm going to go through a lot, but it's going to be fun. Stick with me here. First, we're going to dive into the market watch. Now, Wednesday, all the numbers came out just fine on the United States economy. I'm watching the unemployment. I'm watching the GDP. And of course, we're keeping an eye on inflation. For now, we're okay. Moving into major events next week, we have unemployment Wednesday coming out from ADP. We also have initial jobless claims on Thursday, December 5th. And we'll want to keep an eye on the employment report on Friday. I'll watch that for you and update you in a video. Don't worry. Let's move on to CoinMarketCap.com. You've noticed lately these large caps are moving and they've been coined boomer crypto coins. XRP is moving. Cardano is moving. Doge is moving. And that's that rotation we talked about. Now that's going to continue. So don't move from good positions into those positions that have already pumped. I'm going to get you in good positions before the pump if you're not in already. Notice here we have Stellar up 98%. Now Stellar is a sympathy play on XRP. XRP is moving, so Stellar is going to move because they accomplish similar things. Now, we're looking at Sand. That's up, and that's in the gaming and metaverse category, 81%. TIA is a trade alert. That one's up 58%. Moving along here, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is doing what we thought. Notice how this support resistance level right around 95,000, see how price is trying to reclaim that level. That's why these levels are on the chart. If that level gets reclaimed, Bitcoin is going to make a run up to this 104, right around 104.2. I do expect a reaction around that 104.2, meaning I don't see price blasting right through it. We'll see. Also, we want to see if it does come back down here. We're watching the level around 87. Also, we're looking in this zone if it does a deeper correction around 81, 82. And a total nuke, again, we don't expect this, but it could come back down and retest the breakout right around 73-ish. Okay, that would actually be healthy because what we're watching here, SRSI is up, crossing down. It needs to stay over this 80 level. Also, RSI made a higher high back from June 24. It broke above that level and it's going to retest right here around 70. That's also healthy. This consolidation is okay. Notice this 9 EMA pink right here. It should come up and try to touch price at some point while price consolidates, and then another big explosive move should occur. Let's watch that and keep it level to level. Now, looking at the Bitcoin dominance, why you should care about this? Well, this is doing what we thought. This was on the chart before. Spike above and close below. Bitcoin dominance spiked above here into about 62%. It's breaking down below. This is where Altseason starts to happen. What does that mean? That means Ripple starts to move 200%. ADA starts to move 200%. Doge 200%. That's what you want to see if you're in altcoins, and we've been discussing the importance of getting in your altcoin positions. I'm going to give you a free trade alert. You're going to love that one. Speaking of Ethereum, it's making big moves. It broke out. We had that level. It never retested, and it just kept on going. It did get a little back test on the parallel channel you see here. And this resistance level, I'm going to actually change that right now in live time to an SR flip level. Okay, what does that mean? Well, it means that price is breaking above that level. It was resistance, and now it's flipping it to support. And what does that mean? It means the next level, we're going to make a move right up here to about 4,000. Okay, and by the way, that's when you're going to start seeing this in the news and all over the headlines. So you don't want to get in last. I'm trying to get you in first if you're not in already. Ethereum ecosystem is about to make huge moves when ETH does this pump. We're seeing it already, but we're going to see a lot more of that. Also, looking at Solana. Solana's been one of the top performers this entire bull market so far, and it is pulling back from resistance around 268. Okay, these levels have not changed. I've left them on the chart here. It front ran that level because, you know, smart investors put their profit target right here under the level so they can get out of their position before this huge correction. Okay, so basically that's a front run is what that is. So price is pulling back, doing a little bounce here. That's okay. I wouldn't be surprised also to see this 9 pink EMA come up and touch price at some point while we get this healthy consolidation on Solana. It's looking good, but you know, SRSI trying to cross down. We want to see it stay over 80, and RSI actually rejected from the 70 level. So you could get a temporary case where Ethereum ecosystem outperforms Solana. Okay, we're seeing these older coins that have been around for a while move, like XRP, for example, and Ethereum ecosystem tends to be the older ecosystem previous to Solana. Stay ahead of the game with real-time trade alerts. Hit subscribe and turn the notifications on so you're always the first to know about the latest stock and crypto moves. Your financial freedom is just one click away. Let's crush those gains together. Now, let's take a look at TOTAL3. This is the market cap of all the altcoins, removing Bitcoin, removing Ethereum. This is an explosive move, you know, that we had here on the charts. I'm expecting this pullback zone. We do have resistance overhead here in this 900 billion area, but eventually we want to see this move up to this bullish target around 1.13 trillion. What does that mean? That essentially means all the money is going to flow into these small altcoins that I'm trying to give trade alerts on. And when the money rotates into those altcoins, they will have huge explosive gains. They've already had explosive gains, but the gains should become much larger than what we've had so far. Patience is important and risk management is very important. If you don't know about risk management, you can check out the link in the description. That is the link to the Financial Freedom Academy. You can get on the email list for free and you get market reports and updates and videos. So you may as well check it out. Let's take a look at the update on Prime. This was a trade alert alerted right here at S2. And Prime is in the gaming. And gaming, by the way, if you don't know, the global gaming market is larger than the music and the movie industry combined. There's a lot of money in gaming, and that is going to come into crypto, into these tiny projects that no one's heard of, and they're going to surge. We're seeing it already. Prime is a good example. It's a prime example. No pun intended. So S2, that's $5.90. Go long alerted there, right? Well, right now we're up to R1. This was already anticipated. This was on the chart around 12. So that's a 100% move, okay? But that's nothing. What we're going to see once this gets above 12, essentially you're going to see a move up into this swing target area around $25. Now, that's not going to happen overnight. Again, practice patience and make sure you're using risk management. You don't want to go all in on any one trade or any one investment. You want to diversify and protect yourself. That said, if you took this, congratulations to you. This is up. You could move up your stop to entry. That way it's a winner no matter what. Don't let a winner turn into a loser. This is a good move so far. We're seeing SRSI is still up. RSI is back over 50. That's a very good sign. Now, let's take a look at another gaming coin, Super. Super could cool off. This could be an opportunity to get in around $1. okay, if you're not in already. And you really want to see that dollar level hold, and you want to see price break up and over R1 around 160. If you see that, we're going to make a quick move up here to this swing target around 314. Let's talk about stocks, because, a lot of times people say to me, I don't care about crypto. I don't understand crypto. Who cares about crypto, right? Well, there's a reason to care, and that's because crypto is making its way into the mainstream. Slowly but surely. MicroStrategy, for example, is a stock on the New York Stock Exchange. Everyone can buy this, by the way. MicroStrategy is like Bitcoin, but it's Bitcoin on steroids, because Michael Saylor has been buying Bitcoin aggressively, and when Bitcoin goes up, MicroStrategy goes up. If you don't want to buy Bitcoin, that's okay. You can look at stocks that have Bitcoin sympathy, meaning they move up and down as Bitcoin moves up and down. Now, I'll help you get in and get out at the right times. That's important. You don't want to buy at the top. But MicroStrategy was a trade alert, for example, and this trade alert was alerted down here, and it essentially went past the target, okay, which was around 330. That's the original 2000.com top. It broke up and it surged up to about 548, pulled back, and right now it's retesting the previous 2000.com top. Was resistance, now flipping to support right there. That's important. If it stays above this 330, price is going to chop around between 330 and 542. Now, typically, you see this pink 9 EMA, it'll want to curl up under price, and price will probably chop around and test it at some point. And that would probably be a good time to get in to potentially make a move higher. Now, if Bitcoin does a huge correction, by the way, this is going to correct. But the bottom line is, if price stays above 331, nothing but bullish for MicroStrategy, okay? Yeah, there's some early warning signs with this divergence in the RSI. See how price made a higher high? This RSI made a lower high, and that's known as bearish divergence. See this rejection here. I'm anticipating this resets around the 70 level, SRSI crosses back up around the 80 level, and we get another move up to test 540 eventually on MicroStrategy. What an explosive move. So if you don't own Bitcoin, eventually you can get into stocks that have Bitcoin on their balance sheet, for example. Think about Coinbase stock, for example, or MicroStrategy. Now, this brings up something important, which is your free trade alert. Let's look at the gaming industry again. Let's look at IMX. Now, IMX hasn't moved yet, but it's going to, okay? When you see price hover above the moving averages like this, see how they're curling up under price, and you see it holding this $1.38 level, and you see SRSI up, that's stochastic RSI, and you see RSI above 50, this 50 level. What's going to happen? If this holds, it's going to shoot straight up into these levels, and it's going to happen fast, all right? That said, if we don't get above, $2.30 or $2.60, we'll probably get some consolidation. But if price surges up over those levels and then holds those as a new support, meaning it breaks over and holds above, we're going to get a move up into $5 eventually. That's the swing target. And basically, there are no guarantees in trading. But to give you an idea, essentially, you're looking at a 228% move. All right. Now, crypto's about to move. It's already moving. So get positioned now while everyone else isn't paying attention. And if you don't have crypto or you don't know what crypto is, you can still get exposure with stocks like MicroStrategy and Coinbase. Make sure to get good entries. And if you have questions, let me know. I'll let you know where I think you should get in and get out. That's been your update. And I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving and happy holidays. And remember to ask your questions, please. I'd love to answer your questions about your stock or crypto picks. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Your support drives this community. If this video brought you value, hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, here at Trade Alert HQ, you're the first to know about real-time trade alerts. We're growing fast and you are at the heart of it. I'm here working for you. So let's keep this momentum going. Your financial freedom starts here.